1,000 gallons per second. Niagara Falls' interesting facts include the white foam floating on the water is dissolved limestone and is created naturally due to the massive erosion forces of falling water. The height of the Canadian Falls is 170 feet, or 52 meters. The estimated crest line is 2,200 feet, or 670 meters wide, and the depth of the river at the base of the falls is 184 feet, or 56 meters deep. Witness the awesome natural beauty and power of Niagara Falls.
Grabe oh. Basa dito. Basa dito oh. Nanap ko sa falls. Si matangtang na diya. Puntahan. We're inside the falls. Balik ka. Balik ka? Lingkod dito eh, lingkod. Oh. Nahilo ka? Nahilo ka? Ala, basa kita. Pisik-pisik. Ala, nagito sa puso. Grabe ha. Woo! Oh. Wow.